Hi, this is Brian Pash, and I have some great news for general managers and dealer principals that are looking for effective ways to build skills in their existing staff to fill gaps in their sales, service, or marketing processes. I'm pleased to announce a new mentoring program that will be linked to the upcoming Digital Marketing Strategies Conference in Austin, Texas, June 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. The mentoring program will consist of 3 online workshops, March, April, and May. Each workshop will be 1 hour in length and can be watched multiple times to really grasp the content if somebody has a busy schedule, and then followed by an hour of Q&A. The topics that will be offered this year can be found on the Digital Marketing Strategies website, but here are a few of the mentoring programs available with the purchase of your DMSC ticket. There'll be a mentoring program on building an effective, modern internet sales process. There'll be a mentoring program on understanding and implementing the latest Google Ads campaigns. There'll be a mentoring program on social media advertising. I will be doing a mentoring workshop on understanding first-party data management and how to plan and implement for a customer data platform or a CDP. We're going to have a number of additional mentoring courses added to the DMSC program, but it's very simple. With your ticket to DMSC, that one ticket, an individual can sign up for 2 mentoring programs and get the skills they need to succeed. At DMSC, the final or 4th course in the mentoring program will be a 2-hour live lab at DMSC. So the same instructor who's been doing the online training in March, April, and May will be there at DMSC for a 2-hour final learning lab. This is an exciting addition to DMSC because it adds more depth, more time, more content, more context to build the skills we need for automotive retail. Best of all, DMSC tickets are half price. We've reduced the price of our Austin venue to give absolutely anyone no excuse not to attend. Hotel prices in Austin are amazing. The DMSC ticket price is amazing. And now it includes up to 2 mentoring courses per person. And this makes it a brand new way of investing in your team. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Digital Marketing Strategies website, purchase your ticket, and then you can sign up for 1 or 2 mentoring courses per ticket. And then get ready because the mentoring courses will start in March, and this is going to be a great learning experience. Of course, we're going to have our great keynotes, panel discussions, technology workshops, exhibit hall, all the things that you love about DMSC, but now we'll have 8 different mentoring programs to build the skills you need to sell more cars in the digital age. If you have any questions, reach out to me, but please sign up for your DMSC tickets early so you can jump into the mentoring programs, and they will be limited. So first come, first serve. Get your tickets as soon as you can, and I'm excited about mentoring your team in 2024.